How to convert PDF to Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to convert tables in your PDF into Excel? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Excel and then you need to go to data in the top menu, and there on the left hand side you can see get data. Tap on it and you can tap on from file, and if you have from PDF option here, you can choose from PDF, but some of you might not have that option, so I have another workaround for you. You can head over to your browser instead and go to this website called ilovepdf.com, and then go to PDF to Excel. Go to select PDF file and then choose the PDF file that you want to convert, hit open, and then you will need to convert to Excel. It's on the right hand side. You'll need to wait for a while, tap on download Excel, and now it has been converted into an editable Excel spreadsheet. Just tap on it and there you go. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.